Hello, my name is Dennis Roberts. I am Dr. Chem Tutoring Service, and today I'm going to walk you through carbohydrates, how to draw them in the various monosaccharides. This is going to be a several-part video series, so again, you can watch all of them or pick out the ones that maybe pertain more to you. To start, I just want to talk about the different ways to draw monosaccharides. If you draw them in a chain fashion, we can classify them as either D or L. D or L is going to talk about the last chiral center. Where is it? Where is that OH group in that last chiral center? The ring form is still going to be D or L based on where this piece is, but we can also call it alpha or beta depending on where this OH group is. So we can go from the bond line structure to the Fisher projection very easily, and we'll see how to do that later. But these are the same structure, just a different way to represent it. They both represent the same chain version of, in this case, D-glucose. Now, when you have a chain structure and you put it in solution, it can form the ring structure, and in solution, the ring structure is more favorable. So the chain can cyclize into the alpha or beta glucose version. Now, typically the beta, again, these are also in equilibrium with each other. They're going to go back and forth between alpha and beta. Typically the beta is more favored because we have more positions in the equatorial favorable position. So again, when we classify sugars, if they're in the chain, it could be D or L and then the sugar. When it is in a ring form, it's alpha or beta followed by D or L and then the sugar. So again, this is D-glucose. If I wanted to draw L-glucose, same thing. I could draw it in the bond line structure. I could draw it in the Fisher projection. Those are the same structure, just drawn in different format. Those are in equilibrium then with the ring form. They could either be alpha or beta, and same thing. Alpha is going to have that CH2OH opposite of the OH that was the carbonyl carbon oxygen. And then for beta, those are going to be on the same side, both facing up in this case. Now keep in mind that the way I drew this structure, I am now going counterclockwise to get to that carbon that was the carbonyl carbon. In this one, I went clockwise to get to that carbon. That is because the L sugar is the enantiomer of the D sugar. What I mean by that is if I were to draw D-glucose, its enantiomer would be L-glucose, in which I change all the stereochemistries. All the wedges become dashes, all the dashes become wedges. Or for a Fisher projection, you want to draw the mirror from the side here. Notice I flipped all of the OH groups, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Or when I draw the chair conformations, you'll notice that what I did here was I took the mirror from the right side, so I kind of flipped the structure over. So instead of counting clockwise here, I'm counting counterclockwise here. Now, all this will make more sense when we get to the next video and I start numbering the carbons and talking about how do we draw from one to the other.